It's a little concerning.
Let's go for a Sunday drive.
Yay!
Yeah. It's just like hydrostatic pressure, it's not. Ugh.
Why ain't it moving?
Yeah. Right.
I'm leaving it running because I want to see what's going on.
What's up, guys? It's your boys. We're back in the PT at Auto City Speedway. We're really cranking the hog today. We got a good guy driving. His name is Mike.
I don't know who the hell you're talking about.
It's a nice day. It's a good track. It's a good surface. It's kind of cool.
Don't go wide through that.
I don't know if I hit that one. No, it's still up.
Fun fact, don't go wide through that.
Alright, I'll do my best bet. You gotta navigate for me. Already going wide. We're good. It's a really rough turn here. Good. Perfect. And now I just gotta find pace and pace. It's right here. Good. And then up here is where the rock is. So. Oh, someone got it. This is the eater here. Sharp turn.
Damn, Jenkins, you're doing really good.
Trying to stay in the grip there. Grip? Maybe not.
Slide.
I know, I'm trying to. This is a weird one.
Yeah, this.
I don't know where the line is here.
There you go.
Oh, stay in. Oh, you're good. I can get that one. Yeah, fuck you, Bobo. 112. So, during my run, well, at the end of the run, so at the end of the run, the slave cylinder stopped engaging. I don't know what's up with that.
Pat, make sure he doesn't break the car.
That's... Thank you, sir.
I don't know how to do that.
No, go ahead. The slave cylinder just stopped working and then started working again.
Oh, fair enough. I'm hoping this isn't a transmission.
It doesn't feel like it.
It's okay, Pete. I'm back. Ryan won't hurt you no more. Whee! Yeah. Big ass rock. You're the inside, not the outside.
That sounds
Rut-row. That ain't good. Something ain't right. Huh? Nope. I think it's a little worse.
Did you lose your clutch?
Maybe. I'm hoping it's that.
Yeah. I had the core separate from the disc once on my Subaru.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can put it in the gear now and you got nothing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that or the Lincoln maybe. You know what? Yeah, pop the hood. I've seen that on.
Well, I think we possibly destroyed the clutch. So I think we're done for the day. Oh well. So, on the sad tow home. No forward, no reverse gears. I have an idea what it is, but that's about it.
So here we are again.
Hello, clutch, my old friend.
Deja vu.
Time to take this out again. Your rivets weren't all that damn strong. Clutch dumped you for far too long. Now your gears for nothing. The neutrals. I'm losing track of the song. The thong song.
You can see the transmission flopping
I
out.
feel kind of binding up on something.
Probably the control arm. Yeah.
Got it out before, it'll come out again. You just gotta push it forward a little.
How touchy is this?
Very slow. One second. Okay, keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah, just it's on the ground almost. Just put it all the way onto the ground. And ta-da! Here comes the moment of truth of destruction. Hello, Mr. Clutch.
Oh.
Oh, that fell out. I'm not too sure what that was supposed to do. Oh, I think we blew the center of it out. That's not supposed to move.
Oh, so the slide in the middle is just spinning free?
We might have done that.
Can you wiggle it from the back for me so I can
Because there's a little bit of a gap in some of these. We'll have to
I think the new one has gaps too.
but like you can hear it. There's something right there.
Oh, you want to snap the rivet, throw the rivets out, and take it apart?
I would like to see what the clutch looks like because can't really see the clutch disc. Small punch. Okay, time to do that 2, 3, 4, 5 more times. That wasn't too bad though, so. But you can see how these are held in. They just put a little dowel in there, then rivet or mushroom the end out. It's holding her together. Well, as you can see, it looks like we separated our spring plate on the clutch. Our spring plate here, this helps cushion your clutch engagement, so it's not so harsh as the pressure plate and the flywheel meet up. This kind of absorbs that shock in that process. But yeah, those are supposed to be all the way down. They are all not.
Captain Power Shift.
Then there's some
The...
damage on that, so yeah. Hell yeah, power shift. Power shift, brake shit.
Surprised it makes enough power to actually brake itself in that manner.
I know, right? Like, this is all mangled up.
So on the old clutch, the retainer plate ended up working its way out, which means that this can slip past the splines here, which is why we were having an issue. It was riding like that. As you can see, it's pretty marred. This is also pretty marred.
Everything's pretty marred. These things doesn't look all that great either.
Which is why this was probably able to come apart, because there wasn't any pressure holding everything together. So we decided
It might be hot.
it might be hot. We decided to weld the plate into position, so hopefully it doesn't come flying apart again.
Yeah, hopefully. A couple little tacks in there just to make sure.
Race car.
Race car. There it goes. Boom. Slow down. Alright, no fucking way to do that. Right there. The other one a little bit. This bottom end is fucking right where it needs to be. Put those in. Cool.
Ta-da! Can't really see it. It's in there somewhere.
Huh? I'm not responsible for ATF on your camera. Even though I'm holding all of it. And it's running down everything. It's everywhere. The blood. The blood is everywhere.
Back on the ground. We're going for the test drive. This light is really bright. I do have dirt on my lips still.
I am dirt.
The dirt man. Oh, we're moving.
It's under its own power. The clutch doesn't feel quite as familiar as it did, but it's different now. Things be like that. The grab point is different. That's why it's throwing me off.
It's got a self-adjust still. He just beat the first time in the PRP.
There's so much dust. So much dirt.